Let me show you how I converted this into this, this into this, and this right here into this for free using an AI tool that gives you free credits every day. The name of this AI tool is EZRemove, and it comes with a lot of features that are very easy to use. We have the background remover, which you can use to remove the background of any photo. You can also use it to change the background of a photo. You can use it to make PNG or make the background transparent. So a lot of tools right here. You also have the AI remover, which has magic eraser to erase anything from your photo. You can remove text, remove objects, remove people, clean up the images, and also remove watermarks from your images. They also have this video watermark remover, which can remove any watermark from your video. We are going to try out some of these features later in this video. And one of my favorites right here, the AI enhancer. With this, you can upscale your images, you can convert them to HD, you can restore old photos, you can sharpen the images, and you can also unblur your images. And as you can see from the beginning of this video, they are really impressive. I'm going to show you how to do this just in a moment. This is an all-in-one AI because they also have the editing tools, which is quite amazing. With this, you can edit your photos with AI, you can generate images with AI, you can edit text on the images. You can also do image-to-image creation. You can edit your screenshots. And you can do all of this using recent models like Nano Banana, EZRemove 4.0, and GPT Image 2.0, all within EZRemove AI. Right now, I'm going to try out the AI image generation. So I'm going to click on AI image generator. And this will take me to the AI image generator where I have to select the model. So right now, I'm going to use Nano Banana. You can also decide to select any of these other models right here. And I'm going to include the prompt. I'm going to paste it in right here. So we want to generate a hyper-realistic portrait of a 40-year-old African man sitting in a barber's chair. So this is this prompt right here. So let's go ahead and generate this. But first, I'm going to select the aspect ratio. In this case, I'm going to use 3:4, and I'll go ahead and click on generate image. It's going to take about 4 credits. Remember, you get about 10 credits, free credits every day. So I'm going to click on generate images. And as you can see to the right, our image is ready. I'm just going to zoom in, and you can see the image is hyper realistic. And we also have another version right here at the bottom. Yeah, so this is really amazing. It is highly hyper realistic, and we can actually upscale this image even to a higher resolution. So if you click on upscale right here, it's going to take you to the upscale page right here where you can actually upscale this image up to 16K. So you can click on 16K and click on upscale. This is just going to take 2 credits. So I'm going to apply this now, and let's see what difference it will make, because the image is already looking very good. So I'll just give it some time and let's see what we get. Okay guys, the upscale is done, and let's zoom in. I think in this case we have to zoom in a bit so we can see the difference. So yeah, to this side is the upscale, the right hand side is the upscale part. So let's see without the upscale. This is without the, and this is with the upscale. Yeah, tell me in the comments if you notice any difference. I think there's a lot of difference actually. So this is a bit more sharper, and when you zoom in, it takes the resolution. The image is still clearer even in a very high zoom. So that tells you. Let's take it back to the upscale. Yeah, so when I zoom in, you can see it's not so sharp, but with the upscale, yeah, you can already see the difference, especially in the eyes. So this is really doing a nice job. So guys, let me show you some more examples from the AI enhancer. I really like this part. So if you click on the AI enhancer, you see the tools right here. You can click on any of them. For example, you want to restore an old photo, you can click on any of them, and you can see right here, this is just an example. I've already shown you one. This photo right here has been upscaled, this old photo to this, and it is quite impressive. You can tell it is quite impressive. So all you need to do is just upload the image that you want to upscale. I'm going to upload one quickly. So this is the photo that I have uploaded. I just got this from Google. And to the right hand side, you can actually use all of the AI enhancer tools. For example, the upscale, depending on what you want to do, you can either upscale, you just click on upscale, you can upscale up to 16K. And you can, if the photo you want to unblur, you can select and then apply apply. You can also enhance depending on the photo up to 16K. You can use the portrait, you can enhance the text that is written on the photo. And in this particular case, we have an old picture, so we're going to use old photo right here. So you can use all of them within this. Once you upload your photo, then you select whatever you want to do with it. So in this case, I want to change this. I want to upgrade this old photo. So the tone is colorized. We want to add some colors. And if you want to leave it as black and white, you can select black and white or cool silver or whatever. So in this case, we want to colorize it and also enhance. So I'm going to click on apply and enhance, and this is going to process. So let's wait to see the result. So guys, it is ready, and you can see the before and the after already. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and this is the after. So I think this is quite impressive. And that is the same thing I did with this photo right here. As you can see, I used this case. So this is the before and this is the after. And also with the image of the Michael Jackson family right here. In this case, I used enhance. So I enhanced the photo from this right here to this right here. Impressive. And I also used the enhance feature to get this from where it is right here to this. So this is quite impressive. So guys, in the same way, you can use the AI remover. If you click on the AI remover, you can click on any of these, like for example, let's go for people remover, and you can see right here, you can just highlight whatever you want to remove and you apply, and it is done. So you just have to upload the image you want to use for that and highlight it just like this and apply, and you'll get the result. So object remover, similar, you have this, you want to remove this particular one, you highlight it and you apply, and the image or the object is gone. So the same for text remover, you just have to highlight the text that you want to remove and it is gone. So this is before and this is after the text is out of the way. We also have a lot of them right here. I cannot look at all of everything. Let's look at this watermark, image watermark. So you see this watermark right here. You just have to upload the photo and you apply, and the watermark in the video would be removed. Yeah. So guys, if you've gotten any value so far, do want to hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed for more amazing AI tools. And you can also see the background remover. If you go to the background remover, yeah, so you can remove the background of your photo right here. All you have to do is upload the image and select apply, and the background will be removed. And this is completely free, and the background changer is also free. So like I said, this tool is a free AI tool. However, it also has, you can also get credits. If you run out of credits, you can get credits for some, it's very cheap, so you can get some credits to continue to generate. So you can see right here, you can get 300 credits for $15. Yeah, as you can see right here, if you need more credits. Yeah, but then you get free credits every day, 10 free credits every day, which can help you do your stuff. And you can also use the one time. You don't have to subscribe monthly if you don't want to do that, although they have a monthly plan anyway. But you can just get some credit as you go one time and you use for your generations. But if you're not doing much, your 10 free credits would be enough that you get every day. So guys, to get started, go over to EZRemove AI or use the link in the YouTube video description to sign up and start creating.